Good morning, children. Welcome back. As I told you all earlier, today we'll be doing a poem from your English course book, The Young Dandelion. So kindly open your English course books to page number 85. Let's do a poem, The Young Dandelion. The poet is Dinah M. Malak Craig. So kindly repeat with me, Dinah M. Malak Craig. Okay. Have you heard the word dandelion? What do you mean by the word dandelion? Dandelion is a weed. Okay. What are weeds? Weeds are plants, that is, they are unwanted plants that grow by itself. Nobody will plant them. Nobody will sow the seeds and plant them. That will grow by itself. Okay. So weeds are the plants where it grows by itself. It is an unwanted plant. Okay. And these dandelion leaves, they are grassy in shape and the flower is yellow in color. Can you see over here? Look at this picture. See. This is a flower which is yellow in color and the leaves are grassy in shape. The flower is yellow. As it is an unwanted plant, okay, the color is yellow. It grows in fields, parks, roadside. It grows by itself, okay. As it is grown by itself, nobody will plant it. It is grown by itself. So there are many types of weed and amongst those weed, dandelion is one amongst those. Is that clear? And it is said to be a very strong plant that is grown in the garden and fields and roadside. It's very strong, children. Though you cut it, it grows again. It grows again. As you cut, it becomes stronger and it grows. So today, let us learn about this plant, the young dandelion, in detail. Now, I am going to recite this poem. Listen carefully and repeat along with me with correct pronunciation. Okay? Now, let's begin. The Young Dandelion, written by Dinah M. Malak Craig. I'm a bold fellow, as ever was seen, with my shield of yellow in the grass green. I means whom? It's the young dandelion plant. So, the young dandelion is expressing his feelings. Okay, the plant is expressing his inner feelings. What does the plant says? The plant says, I'm a bold fellow, as ever was seen, with my shield of yellow in the grass green. So, it is a common flower. The dandelion is a common flower grown in the fields, roadside, garden, parks, everywhere. And I'm a bold fellow. Bold fellow in the sense it's a strong weed. It's very strong. As ever was seen. That means what? You can see this plant grown everywhere you find this plant. With my shield of yellow in the grass green. That means what? How does it grow? It grows with yellow flower. The leaves are green in color and the plant and the rose plant, that is the plant, is yellow in color. It grows with yellow flower. How does it look? It looks very attractive among green grass. It looks very attractive among all greenery. You find the grass is green in color, but this flower is yellow in color. So it looks very attractive. Is that clear? So I'm a bold fellow, as ever was seen, with my shield of yellow in the grass green. So dandelion is a common flower grown in the fields, roadside. It's very strong weed. It is seen everywhere. It grows with yellow flower. It looks very attractive among green grass plants. You may uproot me from field and from lane. Trample me, cut me, I spring up again. The plant says, though you uproot me in the sense, though you remove me, though you cut me, you remove me from field and from lane, though you remove me from anywhere, it grows again. Trample me, cut me, I spring up again. Though you stepping on me or crush me with your feet, I will still grow up again. It says, though you cut me, you stamp on it, okay, and you trample on it. Trample means what? To crush something by stepping on it. Though you go and trample it, though you go and step on it, what happens to it? It can still grow up again. I never flinch, sir, wherever I dwell. Give me an inch, sir, I'll soon take an L. The plant says, that is, this plant dandelion, it doesn't feel any pain. Okay, though you cut it, you uproot it, it doesn't have any pain. Like when we get a cut, say for example, while cutting or anything, you just have a small cuts or burns on your fingers, on your hands or on your legs. So what do? Wherever on the body, we feel the pain and we try to move. We make movements. Oh my God, मेरा हाथ कट गया. This and that you say, you cry, you shout and all. But this plant, what does it say? It doesn't feel the pain at all. It doesn't move at all. It does not make any movement, like how we just try to shake our hand, we move and all. But this young dandelion plant, though you cut it, though you uproot it, it never feel the pain. Okay, so this can grow anywhere it grows. I never flinch. Flinch means what? To make a sudden movement. This plant doesn't make any movement. Wherever I dwell means what? Lives. Wherever it lives, the plant is telling, please sir, give me an inch and I will soon make an L. L means what? It's a unit of length equal to 45 inches. So though you cut this plant, it grows again. So the plant is asking, you please give me an inch to grow between the pots. I think you can check around your houses, children. You find these kind of plants everywhere. Even in the pots also you find. Between two plants, this emerges out. Okay, so the plant is telling you, please give me an inch. Give me a little space